Hello everyone, today we are sharing our overnight experience at the Alpine Inn. The Alpine Inn is located at 715 Catella Avenue. It is 7/10 of a mile or 1.1 kilometer walk to the turnstiles of Disneyland. It takes about 15 minutes to walk that distance, and we will leave a link to our walking video from the Alpine Inn to Disneyland below.
Up next is staff and service. When we checked in, we were warmly greeted, and they let us know that they are not doing maid service right now, but if we needed anything to please call the front desk and they would bring it to our room. They also let us know if we ever plan to return to their hotel to call them directly for booking because we would get the best price, and they also give a returning guest discount, which we thought was excellent.
Moving on to property conditions. First off, don't let the facade fool you about the hotel. The hotel is very nice. Starting off first with the parking lot. The parking lot was small, but the spaces were generous, and we feel like they could accommodate vehicles of all sizes, and you probably won't get door dings. That's kind of a big deal for us. Additionally, when the parking lot does fill up, they allow you to park alongside of a wall, and they do put cones out to help keep your car from getting hit. We thought that was a nice touch because we had to park our own car next to the wall. Moving on to the interior of the room, you can tell this is probably a little bit of an older remodel because the room did have a little wear and tear, but it was still very nice. We have zero complaints about it. The interior of the room was spotless, and we found no cleanliness issues. Both of us were very happy with the water pressure in the shower, and I prefer hot showers, and I was very happy with the temperature of the water. Another nice touch, the bathroom did have a fan and the window did open.
Next up is room comfort and noise. We rented a one-bedroom suite, so the room that Jim and I stayed in was towards the back of the room, and we didn't have any direct access to where the cars park in the parking lot. We felt like our room was super quiet. We mentioned it quite a few times how quiet the room was. We did notice some people walking above us a couple of times, but nothing excessive, and that is fairly normal for a motel of this age to hear the people walking above you. We also had a window on the back of the property, and we were a little worried about hearing the road noise from Catella, but we didn't notice that at all either. One thing I did note was the AC unit in our room was slightly loud, nothing terrible, but it did wake me up a couple of times in the night, and I think it's just because I'm not used to having anything like that, but it was kind of a great white noise as well. Moving on to comfort, we felt the beds were great. We thought maybe they were like a notch below a Hilton or a Marriott type of mattress. Very comfortable, and we also had zero complaints about the pillows. Next up are the amenities. They do have a pool on this property. It is a very small pool. I don't think you're staying at this particular property to go swimming, but it would be nice if you're there on a really hot day, just kind of jump in and get cooled off. They do charge a very small resort fee of $5, which includes the Wi-Fi, refrigerator, and microwaves in the room. And the biggest perk of all is free parking. It's very rare in the Disneyland area to have free parking.
Now, who would want to stay at this property? We think this property is a great place to stay if you are a big family, a small family, large group, or small group. The flexibility with this one-bedroom suite we stayed in can accommodate up to 6 people. The price was fair. We paid about $180 a night plus tax for the Disneyland area, a suite at $180. This was a pretty good rate. The walk was not bad, and one amenity we forgot to mention, 7-Eleven's right next door. So you can go run in and grab a drink, grab some snacks if you want, and it's nice, easy access to that. So if you want to check out a room tour of the Alpine Inn, go ahead and click this link here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.